What up, my little homies? This is Miss Vetrano getting you ready for your Unit 3 test. We got this. So, number 1, I can't. Oh my gosh. Mia dared me. So here we are. We're going to convert this to radians. So we're going to multiply this and put pi over 180. Okay. Let me get a calculator. You're just going to multiply straight across. Whoops, I forgot the degree symbol cancels over 180. And then we're going to reduce this. 128 divided by 180. And I got 32 pi over 45. Okay, number 2. 333, and then here again turning this into radians, put it over 180. The radians thing reduces, so we get 333 pi over 180. I got 37 pi over 20, and that's all you have to do for that. I know, super easy, super fun. Okay, now here we're going to the simplifying. Cotangent x over cosine. Okay, oops. So step 1, we're going to put this in terms of sine and cosine. So here we go. Sine squared, we're going to leave this alone because it's what we want. Cotangent is nothing more than cosine over sine. Okay, and then we're going to hit divide by cosine. Hold on. Bye, Miss Diamond. She's embarrassed now, but we love her. Okay, so here we go. Back to the work. Notice I have 2 signs on top and 1 sign here. So I'm going to cancel this one out with this. Now, only take care of one thing at a time before we do some stuff. So I'm going to regroup. So here I'm left with sine x times cosine x. Now, we still have this divide by cosine. So we're getting ready to do the keep change flip thing. I don't know why I put a times there, but oh well. So sine x cosine x times 1 over cosine x. And notice here I have a cosine on top and a cosine on bottom. So the answer is sine x. Okay? You just got to be slow and careful here. Yes, you will get your identities on your test. Squared x over 10 squared x. Okay, so I know at this point right here, you are dying to cross them out, and the answer is 1. We cannot do this because of that plus sign. It is going to call your name to do it. But notice here, it's 1 plus tangent squared. And look right here in the Pythagorean identities. 1 plus tangent squared, it is equal to secant squared. Okay, so what I'm going to do is replace the top with secant squared. Divide by tangent squared. Okie dokie. So now, let's put everything in terms of sine and cosine. So remember, secant is just 1 over cosine. So this will be 1 over cosine squared divided by sine squared over cosine squared. Okay, so what we're going to do now is keep change flip. So 1 over cosine squared times cosine squared over sine squared. And here the cosine squares cancel because I have 1 on bottom and 1 on top. And please be aware, you see how my sine squared here is at the bottom? we're going to keep it here at the bottom. Okay. Now, what is 1 over sine also known as? So 1 over sine is cosecant. But notice it's squared. Because it's squared, this is squared. So the final answer is going to be cosecant squared. So, I hope that has helped. I will see you in the next video on all that double angle fun stuff we have waiting. Bye, guys.